Hello friends, are you ready to match the puzzle with me? Great, let's go! Let's start with pentagon. Is it a pentagon? No! How about this one? Nope. And how about this one? Yeah, it's a pentagon. Let's match the puzzle. Let's try with another puzzle. It's a triangle. Let's put the blue triangle over here. Can you help me to find this shape? Maybe the shape is hiding inside the house. Let's open the door. Hey, look! Yeah, the shape is right here. It's a yellow star. And how about this one? Do you know what shape is this? Yeah, it's oval. Blue rectangle. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Orange heart. Green round. Diamond. Square. Rhombus. Hexagon.
Hickory dickory dock.
And the last one is octagon.
The mouse went down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
Rectangle, octagon, star,
Hickory dickory dock.
hexagon, triangle, rhombus, heart, pentagon, round, diamond,
tick tock,
square,
tick tock.
oval.